Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, Bitcoin is tumbling around and people are asking, are we going lower? We have crazy Binance FAT coming in and everyone is screaming for lower price targets, sub 20,000 US dollars. Now the question is this what is actually going to happen for Bitcoin? Well, let's talk about that. Let's go straight into the charts. I want to talk about my trades. I want to talk about my price targets. Before we are doing that, kindly go down below, press the like, press the bell, press on all. Share the video, make noise for the algorithm. In these times when fear, uncertainty and doubt is coming over the crypto markets, we need your support here to spread this crypto content among the world. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Let's talk about what actually happening here. And you might be wondering, wow, this guy is starting on the weekly candles. Well, for very good reason. For the last few months, Bitcoin is basically in this kind of bear market trading range here. After this crazy breakdown, Bitcoin was forming throughout basically, let me see actually, it's almost a year now, inverse head and shoulders pattern for 1 year. And we broke the neckline being located somewhere here around 24,000 US dollars. And now we are getting this rejection. Many people are surprised. If you are subscribed to the Mmcrypto channel, you should not be surprised about a small correction here, because Bitcoin basically hit our resistance zone. Does this mean I would be going short here? No. Does it mean I would be going long here? Also no. What this is for me an area of waiting. So what you can see here, this big yellow box is basically previous support which we were building in the beginning of 2021, in summer 21, and also in the beginning of 2022, and later on here throughout 1.5 years. So now, after having very strong support, it is expected to become very strong resistance. And I said before, I do not expect this resistance to be broken overnight. This resistance has to be weakened by strong bull power. Otherwise, we cannot just break it towards the upside. So what can we expect right now? I think a realistic scenario is Bitcoin going a little bit more sideways. If we go down, I do not expect, and it is very possible, but I don't expect Bitcoin to go below the previous neckline, 24,300 US dollars, give or take. And then to go for another retest of this horizontal resistance. If you are asking what is the price target for the specific pattern, well, first of all, I want to tell you, be cautious. Don't jump into a long position and expect this price target to come tomorrow. This is a price target for the next few weeks. We have to break the resistance for that. 38,000 US dollars would be the price target, but nothing for tomorrow or the day after. That is for sure. What we can reach here, even in the short term, after potentially retesting the previous resistance here, 24,000, is maybe the upper range of this resistance, which goes all the way to 31, maximum 32,000 US dollars. This is the resistance. This is extremely strong resistance. And once again, I do not expect this one to be broken in the immediate future. That doesn't mean I will not keep my trades open. The funding rates are not too expensive right now. My Bitcoin trade here right now, let me have a look, 760,000 US dollars in a profit, and the Ethereum trade also almost 1,000% in a profit. And this is one thing you, dear ladies and gentlemen, you have to understand. Many people are right now talking about Bitcoin crackdown, like Binance crackdown, CFTC, a big letter going out towards Binance and CZ. Well, what I want to tell you is, in the end of the day, Bitcoin is not asking for permission. Bitcoin is borderless. I was actually posting here over on Twitter this post. Let me actually show you. I was also posting here that Burger King is accepting crypto payments. That is beautiful. But I was posting Bitcoin has no borders over on Twitter. And this is something people have to understand. Bitcoin doesn't ask for permission. Everyone can use it. And whatever happens on exchanges, which I think it is potentially FAT, it doesn't matter for Bitcoin. Also, if you want to be trading Bitcoin as well, pin comment down below, bybit.com. You get this link here, and it is a 30,000 US dollar free bonus for you if you deposit. And you should use this only if you're an experienced trader. Click register deposit, and you can use this completely for free as well. Thank you so much for watching, dear ladies and gentlemen. I truly appreciate every single one of you, every like, every comment, every share. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye.